Replace or install a thermostat without guesswork by confirming each thermostat wire is fully seated and securely captured beneath the clamp plate or prong inside its terminal before finalizing the connection. When you remove the old thermostat, label each wire with the circuit letter and take a phone photo of the terminal block. That photo is your wiring map and makes reinstallation error-free. Strip exactly 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation so the bare conductor contacts the clamp or prong without excess exposed copper. Too little and it won't seat. Too much and you risk shorts. For screw clamp terminals, insert the stripped conductor so the end reaches beneath the clamp head or prong, then tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque or until firm resistance is felt. If no torque spec is available, tighten until the screwdriver slips once under moderate pressure. After tightening, tug each wire gently with a thumb and forefinger. If the wire slips, loosen, reposition fully under the clamp, and retighten. Do not rely on feel alone. For push-in, backstab, or spring clamp terminals, insert the conductor straight and hold it while rotating the thermostat slightly to align strands, then pull back gently to confirm capture. If it pulls out, use the screw terminal instead or trim and reseat the wire. For multi-stranded wires, tinning is not recommended for clamp-style thermostat terminals because plated strands can compress and slip. Instead, twist strands neatly and use a tiny ferrule sized to the terminal, if available. Always check for stray wire strands that could touch adjacent terminals. Bend stranded ends into a single compact bundle before seating and use insulating tape between terminals in crowded panels. Finally, power up the system and observe thermostat operation for at least 5 minutes while testing heating and cooling calls and verifying continuity with a handheld meter if you suspect intermittent contact. One of the most frequent thermostat wiring mistakes is partial wire capture causing intermittent connection, which you fix by stripping the correct length, fully seating under the clamp or prong, tug testing, and using ferrules for stranded conductors. Another common issue is mixing up circuit labels and miswiring system functions, solved by marking every wire, photographing the original layout, and following manufacturer terminal labels. The third is over-tightening screws that fracture copper conductors or damage plastic terminals. Use specified torque or a controlled firm stop. And if the terminal is stripped, replace the thermostat sub-base or use a new connector to avoid unreliable electrical contact. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local contractors and detailed project pages that help homeowners find pros who know proper thermostat wiring and terminal capture techniques. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with clients, searching for certified installers, and clear project-specific service requests.